Hi everyone, welcome to our new video lesson in general mathematics. And in this video lesson, we will be discussing about operations and functions, focusing on addition and subtraction. The objectives for this video lesson are the following. One, perform addition of functions, and the second one, perform subtraction of functions. Marami sa mga estudyante ang nahihirapan sa pag-perform ng operations and functions, even as simple as addition of functions. So the question is, how do you add functions? So para ma-visualize natin kung paano ba tayo mag-a-add ng functions, suppose meron tayo ditong set A na merong mga elements na 5 oranges and 1 banana, and then we also have another set here which contains 3 oranges and 3 bananas. So pag kinuha natin yung sum ng dalawang sets na ito, say we are looking for A plus B, so alam naman natin na dito sa ating given, meron tayong 5 oranges para sa ating first set. Sa ating namang second set ay meron tayong 3 oranges. So para malaman natin kung ilang oranges lahat, pagsasamahin lang natin yung ating number of oranges sa first set and second set, and that will give us 8 oranges. At para naman sa ating number of bananas, in our first set, we have here 1 banana, while in the second set, we have here 3 bananas. So para makuha natin yung sum nila, we will just combine the number of bananas na nasa set A at saka nasa set B, and that will give us 4 bananas. So ibig sabihin yan, pag pinagsama natin yung ating set A at saka set B, ang lalabas ngayon na result natin ay 8 oranges and 4 bananas. In performing addition of functions, so para lang din tayong nag-pre-perform or nag-a-add ng number of oranges and number of bananas kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina. But this time, in a more general way. Ibig sabihin, instead of using oranges and bananas, gagamit tayo ng mga variables to represent oranges and bananas. So example, kung ang set A natin kanina ay meron tayong 5 oranges and 1 banana, pwede natin siyang i-represent as 5x plus y, na kung saan yung ating oranges dito ay na-represent natin siya gamit yung ating variable x, at yung banana naman natin ay na-represent natin gamit yung ating variable y. Ganun din sa ating second set, pwede natin siyang i-represent as 3x plus 3y. So ang oranges natin dito, the same yung ating representation. We represent that one using variable x, at ang ating namang banana, we represent that one using variable y. Now, kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina, pinagsama-sama lang natin yung number of oranges at number of bananas. So in this case here, ang pagsasamahin natin ay yung 5x at saka yung 3x, at yung atin namang y ay isasama natin sa 3y. So as a result, pag in-add natin itong dalawang sets na ito, ang a plus b natin ay magiging 8x plus 4y, because we have here 5x plus 3x, that will give us 8x, at yung y plus 3y natin, that will give us 4y, which is the same sa ating result na nakuha kanina, na kung saan ang ating answer ay 8 oranges and 4 bananas. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa pag-perform natin ng addition of functions, let us review one of the most important lessons na gagamitin natin sa pag-perform natin ng operations and function, which is ang addition of integers. So, may nakalagay tayo dito na guide that the sum of two positive numbers is a positive number. Ibig sabihin yan, pag nag-add daw tayo ng dalawang positive na number, ang kanyang kalalabasan ay positive 10. Halimbawa, find the sum of the following numbers. 1. Positive 13 plus positive 4 is equal to positive 17. Kung makikita ninyo, ang result natin dito ay positive na number. Para naman sa number 2, we have positive 28 plus positive 33. This will give us positive 61. And for the third one, what is 18 plus 112? If your answer is 130, then your answer is correct. Next, what is 23 plus 16? If your answer is 39, then you are correct. Kung mapapansin niyo sa item number 3 and number 4, wala nang naka-indicate dito na positive na sign, because it is already understood na pag walang nakalagay na sign sa kanyang gilid, ito ay mga positive na numbers. Ang next naman natin na guide in adding integers ay ito. The sum of two negative numbers is a negative number. Ibig sabihin lamang na kapag nag-add tayo ng dalawang numbers na parehong negative, ang kalalabasan neto ay isang negative number din. Halimbawa, find the sum of the following. For number 1, negative 13 plus negative 4. So, kagaya ng nakalagay dyan sa ating guide, ang magiging result nito ay negative. So, for number 1, the answer is negative 17. Now, for number 2, negative 28 plus negative 33. So, since parehong negative itong mga numbers na ito, ang result natin ay negative 61. At para naman sa number 3, please try to find the sum of negative 18 and negative 112. If your answer is negative 130, then your answer is correct. For number 4, find the sum of negative 23 and negative 16. If your answer is negative 39, then you are correct. Ang next naman natin na guide ay ang guide kung paano tayo mag-add ng dalawang numbers na magkaiba ang sign. Now, the sum of a positive and a negative number is the difference between their absolute values, and the sign of the sum follows the sign of a number with greater absolute value. So, ibig sabihin yan, pag nag-add daw tayo ng isang positive at isang negative na number or dalawang numbers na magkaiba ang sign, kukuhanin muna natin ang difference ng dalawang number na iyon at ang sign na gagamitin natin ay ang sign ng number na mas mataas ang kanyang absolute value. Example, find the sum of the following. For number 1, negative 13 plus negative 4. So based sa rule natin kanina, isasubtract muna natin ang dalawang numbers na ito kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. So 13 minus 4, that will give us 9. At kokopyahin natin yung sign ng number na may mas mataas ang absolute value. In this case, ang 13 ang may mas mataas ang absolute value at ang sign niya ay negative kaya ang magiging sagot natin sa number 1 ay negative 9. Para naman sa number 2, negative 28 plus positive 33. So kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, isasubtract muna natin ang dalawang numbers na ito. 33 minus 28, that will give us 5. At ang sign na gagamitin natin ay ang sign ng number na mas mataas ang absolute value. In this case, ang positive 33 ang may mas mataas na absolute value kaya ang magiging answer natin dito ay positive 5. For number 3, 18 plus negative 112. If your answer is negative 94, then you are correct. For the last item, find the sum of 23 and negative 16. If your answer is positive 7, then your answer is correct. Let us now proceed to the first operations and functions, which is addition of function. To find the sum of two functions, we have here the form f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Ang kailangan lamang natin sa pag-perform natin ng addition of function ay yung concept ng like terms na kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina sa pag-add natin ng oranges and bananas at yung pagkuha natin ng sum ng integers. For our first example, given that f of x equals 2x plus 10, g of x equals 6x minus 8, and h of x equals x squared plus 4x minus 5, let us try to find f plus g of x and h of x plus g of x. For letter A, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Ibig sabihin, una natin kokopyahin yung ating function f followed by function g. As a result, f plus g of x is equal to our function f, which is 2x plus 10, and our function g, which is 6x minus 8. At pagkatapos niyan, i-apply natin yung concept kayo na ng pagko-combine natin ng ating like terms. As a result, ang like terms natin dito ay yung 2x and 6x at yung 10 and 8. So combining like terms, f plus g of x is equal to 2x plus 6x is equal to 8x, and 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So for letter A, f plus g of x is equal to 8x plus 2. Para naman sa letter B, h of x plus g of x is just the same as h plus g of x. Nang ibig sabihin ay una natin kokopyahin yung ating function h bago yung ating function g. So as a result, h plus g of x is equal to our function h, which is x squared plus 4x minus 5, and our function g, which is 6x minus 8. At kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, pagsasamahin lang natin yung ating like terms. So in this case, ang x squared, wala siyang kapartner. Ang 4x naman, may kapartner ito, which is yung 6x. At ang 5 naman, ang kapartner nito ay yung 8. As a result, h plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 6x minus 5 minus 8. As a result, ang x squared ay wala siyang kapartner, so kokopyahin lang natin siya. Ang 4x plus 6x, that will give us 10x, while negative 5 minus 8, that will give us negative 13. As a result, h plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 10x minus 13. Ngayon naman ay titingnan natin kung nasusundan ang ating unang diniscuss. Please try this one. Given that f of x is equal to x squared minus 4, g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 8x plus 8, and h of x equals x squared minus x minus 2. Find the following. Letter A, f of x plus g of x. Letter B, f of x plus h of x. Start. For letter A, the correct answer is f plus g of x is equal to 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. For letter B, f plus h of x is equal to 2x squared minus x minus 6. Ngayon naman ay pag-aaralan natin ang tungkol sa subtraction of functions. Pero bago tayo mag-start ng pag-subtract ng functions, let us review first the concept on how to subtract integers. So here is our guide. To find the difference between two signed numbers, add the additive inverse of the subtrahend to the minuend. Ang ibig sabihin lamang neto na pag nag-add or pag nag-subtract tayo ng dalawang integers, we have to change first the sign of our subtrahend at magpuproceed tayo sa addition. Example, positive 13 minus positive 4 is equal to, so based sa ating rule, babaguhin muna natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend. So alin ba dito yung ating subtrahend? Yung positive 13, this is our minuend. Yung positive 4 naman, this is our subtrahend. So ang sabi niya, kuhanin muna natin yung additive inverse ng ating subtrahend. So in this case, since ito ay positive 4, magiging negative 4 na ito at magpuproceed tayo sa addition. So what we have here is positive 13 plus negative 4. And applying yung rules natin sa pag-a-add natin ng integers, this will give us positive 9. For number 2, negative 28 minus negative 33. So kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina, i-change natin uli yung sign ng ating subtrahend at magpuproceed tayo sa addition. So in this case, magiging negative 28 plus negative 33. Now, applying our rules in adding integers, ang magiging answer natin dito ay negative 61. Now, please try the third item. Positive 18 minus negative 112. Go! So, ang una natin gagawin ay papalitan natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend. So, ito ay magiging positive 112 at magpuproceed tayo sa addition. So, this will give us positive 130. For number 4, you try this one. Negative 23 minus negative 16. The same process ang ating gagawin, babaguhin uli natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend. So ito ay magiging negative 23 plus positive 16. At applying yung ating guide kanina sa pag-a-add natin ng integers, ang magiging answer natin dito ay negative 7. Now to find the difference of two functions, we have here the form f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina sa addition of functions, ang kailangan lamang natin dito ay yung concept natin ng like terms at yung concept natin ng pagsasubtract ng integers. Using our previous given for our function f of x and function g of x, let us try to find f minus g of x and g of x minus f of x. For letter A, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So, kokopihin lang natin yung ating first na function, which is yung f of x, and that is 2x plus 10. But for our g of x, that is 6x minus 8. So, since ang ating operation dito ay subtraction, we have to remember that in subtracting integers, we have to change the sign of our subtrahend. So, in this case here, this one here is our minuend, and this one here is our subtrahend. So, everything in our subtrahend will be changed. So, yung sign ng ating subtrahend, lahat yan ay mababago. From positive 6x, that will be changed to negative 6x, and from negative 8, that will be changed to positive 8. And then after that, i-combine natin yung ating like terms. So, 2x and negative 6x will be combined together, and 10 and 8 will be combined together. Finally, for f minus g of x, our answer here is negative 4x plus 18. For letter B, g of x minus f of x is just the same as g minus f of x, which is equal to our function g, okay, which is yung 6x minus 8, at saka yung function f naman natin ay yung 2x plus 10. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, binago natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend. So, ang subtrahend natin dito ay itong 2x plus 10. So, from positive 2x plus 10, yan ay magiging negative 2x minus 10. And then from there, we combine like terms. So, ang like terms natin dito ay yung 6x at saka yung 2x. And then yung 8 naman at saka yung 10 yung ating pagsasamahin. So, as a result, 6x minus 2x is equal to 4x, and negative 8 minus 10 is equal to negative 18. So, therefore, g of x minus f of x is equal to 4x minus 18. Now, kung mapapansin niyo sa ating result dito, for f minus g of x, our answer is negative 4x plus 18. And for g minus f of x, our answer is 4x minus 18. So, magkabaliktad lang yung kanilang sign. That is why, sinabi ko kanina, na importante na tama yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng ating mga functions pag tayo ay nagko-compute, kasi once na magkaiba or mamali tayo ng pagsusulat ng una nating function, then ganito ang mangyayari sa kanila. Magkaiba yung sign. Now, to check kung talagang nasusundan yung ating lesson, please try to answer the following. Given that f of x is equal to x squared minus 4, g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 8x plus 8, and h of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 2. Please find h minus g of x and g minus f of x. Start. Stop. For letter A, the correct answer is negative x squared minus 9x minus 10. And for letter B, the correct answer is x squared plus 8x plus 12.